Alright guys, so we are picking up where we left off last time. If you haven't watched the previous video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the card somewhere around here. But last time we ordered some mods for my sister's car. I ordered them from eBay, and I ordered this part right here, and it was this amber delete kit, this tint, the smoke tint that goes right there. It's supposed to delete this orange amber light right there, the reflector. And they actually sent me a full tint kit for the headlight, which was a mistake because that's not what I wanted. We actually wanted just that little delete. I went ahead and contacted them, and they sent me a new one. And I actually kept the other one I have, so that one's still up for grabs. If anybody's looking for an S550 headlight tint, I got that for you guys. Go ahead and message me and I'll send that out to you. But they went ahead and sent me that out, so we're gonna go get it installed today, and we're gonna work on these tail lights right here, which this is gonna be a pain in the butt because they do curve a little bit right here, and I believe on purpose you're supposed to leave a bit out, that way we can just tuck it in. So it should be a little bit more difficult than the front ones. This time around I do have the hair dryer because I am gonna have to apply heat for the tail light, and I got everything else I need: soapy water, the tints, microfiber towel, and that's about it. Alright guys, so remember, we start off by spraying generously on the tail light, water and soap. Never go wrong with too much, man. The more lubricated it is, the easier it is to maneuver. So just try to find the best fitment. By the way guys, I did end up upgrading my audio on the camera. I have one of those Rode mics now, so let me know if the quality sounds a little bit better. I'm trying to upgrade the quality for you guys, trying to get better content for y'all. So let me know if it actually sounds better. If not, I might have to look into a different brand. But I did upgrade the audio, so hopefully it does sound better on y'all's end. So we pretty much have a good placement on the tint right there. So now all I'm gonna do is just apply heat with the hair dryer. Y'all can see it's just a regular hair dryer. And it should work, same as a heat gun. Just start applying it. Y'all don't wanna put too much heat because y'all might risk shrinking the tint. But there you go. And you have air bubbles, this helps out a lot too. Or if you have creases, or if your tint's even wrinkled, this helps straighten it out. Keep playing with it, stretch it out, move it around. Use your microfiber towel or your squeegee if you do have one. Try squeezing out all the water and air that's in there, and just like that, man, starting to look good. So whenever you guys are trying to take out like the water or the air, try to work on angles like diagonal. Don't go up or down, just try to push it out. Start from the middle and start pushing out. And then like these corners, you're gonna have some excess vinyl here. You can heat it up and then just start wrapping it down here just the way I did it to this side. That looks so much better than the stock bright red. I tried to convince her, she really didn't want to tint her tail lights. I told her it's gonna match with the rest of the car because she does have black accents going on, and especially it's a dark color for their car, that metallic gray. It's gonna look really, really good, man. I'm a huge fan and an advocate of tinting as soon as you get your car. It's like one of the very first mods you guys should be doing, tinting the windows, tinting all those little tacky red lights, the orange lights around the car. It's probably the cheapest mod and one of the easiest, simplest mods y'all can do. And this is probably like my third, fourth time like tinting. I can't tint windows, but this is something rather easy. The 2018 through 2020 tail lights are a bit harder than these. So I tried that once on my wife's Ecoboost and that didn't end up well, but this is way, way, way easier than those tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these two up before I move on to the next one. So I'm not gonna record this, so I'll show you guys a before and after, and let me know what you guys think, if you prefer the tinted or the non-tinted version of this. But I'll catch you guys once we're done with these two. So this left side is done, driver's side is done. Still need to do the passenger side. I'm so glad I didn't record me tinting the whole complete tail light because this one was a pain in the rear. Took me about 5 minutes to do this one, about 15 to do this one, and then like another 10 to do this one. So the pre-cuts, guys, aren't 100%. I'd say maybe they're about 90% accurate. You do have a piece of like excess vinyl left over, and you have to like wrap it around and stuff like that. Some of the edges don't line up properly. So the eBay quality one, I don't know how it compares to like American Muscle or LMR. They probably do have better quality, and the pre-cuts are probably a lot better than this one, but I did end up getting the job done and it looks perfect. At the end of the day, got it done, no issues whatsoever on the tail light. Currently I was gonna let them dry, but wow, look at that, guys. Big difference on the tinted one to the non-tinted one. If you guys are wondering if there's any like less light output on the rear, obviously there is going to be less light coming out through here, yet you still have light showing. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. Once I open this one, they should turn on in the back. Yeah, so the camera doesn't do justice, guys. That's the one that's non-tinted. This is the tinted one. At night, obviously, you'll be able to tell they're a lot brighter than right now. This is during the day. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. In my opinion, tinted versus non-tinted, this one takes the win any day, unless you have probably like a white and red or black and red theme going on. Then you would probably want to go with the tinted one, but I'm always more of a fan for tinted. Why is this side the easiest one? The outer one's always the easiest one with this vinyl. It's like, it fits perfectly. I have issues with these two. Hopefully I don't have an issue with this side, but on that side it was a different story. This side is like a perfect fit. Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially finished with tinting or blacking out, murdering out, whatever y'all want to call it. We're done with it. We did do the tail lights today and they look pretty dang fine, and we did those headlights up front. But this is the cheapest, most simplest mod y'all can get. If you're on a budget, these are from eBay. I'll go ahead and link them down below. Not sponsored, but they are cheap and they do get the job done. These I do rate about a 7.5 out of 10 in quality wise. If you want something better, check out American Muscle or LMR or any of those higher end websites. They will get the job done for you guys. But look at this, looks so much better, night and day difference. We need to get that tacky license plate frame out of the way, but it's coming along, guys. And I know this is kind of boring for some of you to be watching the car get tinted. Don't worry, we're done with the small cheap little mods. Well, now we have the bigger mods coming in. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know we do have a front splitter coming in, side skirts coming in, a rear diffuser coming in, and louvers coming in. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, if you're new to the channel. And for those of you who are already subscribed, guys, I thank you all for the support. I truly appreciate it. Just know that, guys. And I'm trying my best to push out new video, better content, better quality. But that's gonna wrap it up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.